Hey, welcome back to Math Quest. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to find the volume of a sphere. And as you know me, I like to have you have your notebook out and copy these examples down. So go ahead and pause the video, copy them down, and let's get started, all right? Because this is the best way to learn, so you don't have to sit in the classroom for an hour. You can just sit here for 10 minutes and you'll get the same knowledge. Here we go. Let's get started. All right. Let me grab a pencil here. First of all, you're going to need the formula. The formula is, let's put it up here. Volume equals 4/3 times pi r cubed. All right. So that's the formula there. I can probably explain in a different video why we got 4/3 and all that. I mean, 3 circles cover a sphere and all that. But really, I just want to get down and I want to show you how to find the volume. That's what I want to do in this video. So let's get to it. Here, notice I have a diameter of 22. It's a diameter. So first, I have to cut it in half because radius is half the diameter. So half of 22 is 11. So when I plug it in here, 4/3 times pi times 11 to the third power. That's how it would look, right? Because I got the radius. And that's all I need to do. So go ahead and grab your calculator and do that. So that would be 4/3 pi 11 to the third power, and that equals 5,575 and a lot of decimals. I want you to round to the nearest tenth, so that's going to be 0.3. So right here, our volume for this one is going to be 5,575.3, and that's all there is to it. You just found the volume of a sphere. Listen, a lot of you have mentioned in the past, I know you're just learning this and you don't fully understand how to work a calculator. You need to put parentheses around the 4/3 and so forth. But let's say you don't want to mess with that. What you can simply do is take 4 times pi times 11 to the third power and divide all that by 3. And this right here will give you the same exact answer. All right. So use whatever formula you think is better for you and find the volume. All right. Go ahead and pause the video and find the volume for the next one. And I'm assuming you're back. What? You didn't get to pause it? Well, pause it. But I'm assuming you're back again. All right. Here we go. We got 4/3 times pi times the radius to the third power. All right, so here we go. Once again, I'm gonna do in my calculator this time just to prove it, I guess. 4 times pi times 5 to the third power, and that's gonna get me 1570. But now I have to remember to divide this by 3, and my final answer is 523.6. So the volume for this sphere is 523.6. Now, also, one thing I didn't do on the last example here, notice is centimeters. You should always write the measurement there. So that would be centimeters cubed. This is millimeters cubed. All right, that's my final answer there. All right, simple enough. Guess what? You just learned how to find the volume of a sphere. Hey, let's take a look at one more example, which is a common example most people see. Is half a sphere. Oh, you know already what's going to happen here. All right, so I'm going to extend it, do it the long way. I know you'll figure out the shortcut later. So right here, again, I'm going to use my same formula. So volume equals 4/3 pi, and then my r is going to be my 5, and then that's cubed. And all of this now is going to be divided by 2. Why? Because I have half a sphere. Huh. Like a semicircle, but it's a semisphere. Oh, watch out. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and do this. We got 4/3 times pi times 5 to the third power. And all of that is going to be divided by 2. And now we have 261.8. So the volume here is 261.8 centimeters cubed. Yes! You got to do the sound effects, otherwise you'll probably get it wrong, okay? So you must do the sound effects when you're solving these. All right. Hey, That's the end of the lesson. Guess what? You didn't have to sit in the classroom for an hour, and you learned how to find the volume of sphere and a semisphere. All right? Hey, if you got value out of this, come on, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Math Quiz. Goodbye.